Hello, welcome to the LINmagination channel. I am so happy that you decided to click on this video. I am here to give you a tour of a deluxe studio here at the Villas at Disneyland Hotel. Let's go ahead and get started. We are staying in room 0330, which is on the 3rd floor. And when you walk into the room, you'll find the bathroom. It is so beautiful. I love the etching of the fairy godmothers on the mirror. We have some body lotion, we have a bath soap, box of tissue. It's very nice and bright here, so the lighting is really good for when you're getting ready. Down here you'll find a hair dryer, you'll also find a shower cap, and then you'll find extra toilet paper and more towels. In this room we have a shower tub combo. I really love that we have like a rainfall effect shower head as well as a handheld shower head. I'm not a fan of the bathtub, but I know for families it's super convenient. We actually stayed in a duo studio the last time we were here, which was back in January. So if you want to see a tour of a duo studio, I will also leave it down here in the description. That way you can check it out later. They also provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And there's like a cutout over there that we can put your other toiletries there. We've got some hooks next to the shower and a separate room for the commode. But I wanted to show you this art, it's so pretty. This is also where you'll find the extra body towels as well as the trash can. And the door here is a sliding door, which locks pretty easily. So in some Disney resorts that I've stayed at where it had like the sliding door style, just didn't work out as well. I always had problems like latching it to lock, but here there are no issues with that. And then same with the main bathroom door. You slide to close it, and then here's where you lock it. I know some of you bring some tools to do your hair and are probably wondering what the outlet situation is in the bathroom. Ta-da, we've got 2 outlets right there. We also have a magnifying mirror mounted on the wall that swivels. And again, I just wanted to point out the beautiful detailing of the mirror. I wish I had something like this at home. Oh my gosh. The only thing that I feel like is missing in this bathroom is hand soap. Sean and I, we always bring our own hand soap, so it's not usually a big deal, but I kind of feel like they should just provide it here for their guests. I mean, they do it already on Disney Cruise Line, so I don't know what the holdup is. So back into the main entryway hallway, you'll find this beautiful full-length mirror. I really love the retro mid-century modern vibes, and I wish I had this mirror at home. All right, so here is the main living area, and this is where the kitchenette is. We have of course a sink. We have a Keurig coffee machine, woohoo, for those of you coffee lovers out there. And then we have a nice array of coffees here. So we've got Joffrey's French roast, we have some green tea, English breakfast black tea, and 2 decaf coffees, as well as 2 condiment kits here. We have a small microwave, and let me go ahead and open up these cabinets so you can see what else is included with your stay here. Under the sink in this cabinet, we have a sponge. We also have dish soap and a towel to dry off your dishes. And then we also have paper towel here. Next up is the fridge, and it's pretty spacious. We even have like a little icebox area for your frozen goodies. We actually did a Target pickup order, so we are stocked up on energy drinks and bottled waters. we have another mirror in the room, and this actually slides open. So behind the mirror, you'll find hangers. You'll even find 2 robes. They look so comfortable. I hope we find time to wear them and lounge around while we're here at the happiest place on earth. And I wanted to move the robes away so you could see this beautiful scene from Sleeping Beauty. They've got Prince Philip's boots there with the rabbits in them. So they also provide a laundry bag here, as well as the pricing for guest dry cleaning and laundry. It's pretty pricey. So for example, for pants, it's $18.50 for a clean and press. They also have a laundry room here. All right, so behind this closet is where you'll find your in-room safe, as well as blankets and pillows. You'll also find an iron and an ironing board and a laundry basket. I don't think I've mentioned this yet, but this room sleeps up to 4 people. We have a queen size bed, which I'll show in more detail in a little bit. But here is a Murphy bed. This ottoman here is pretty neat because there are extra storage options here, or you can of course use it as a table. Let me go ahead and pull down the Murphy bed, that way you can see what it looks like. Isn't this headboard so magical, you guys? It features Princess Aurora sleeping, and then of course Princess Aurora and Prince Philip in the background dancing. I wish I could take this piece of art home with me. It is so gorgeous. All right, let's take a closer look at the queen size bed. First off, I really love the carpet design here where it says "Once Upon a Dream." And then this headboard, you guys. I know I said that I wanted the piece of art that's behind that Murphy bed, but this is the one that I really need for my bedroom. It's so pretty, right? It's of Sleeping Beauty's castle. There's plenty of space underneath the bed for all of your luggage. All right, let's take a closer look at the outlet situation. We have a lamp on each side of the bed. And then for the outlets, we have a plug-in, a USB, micro USB, and then this is actually the light for the headboard here. Right now I have my phone charging. This is where the remote was when we came into our room. And then these are non-functioning drawers here, but they do have a space right here for, I don't know, your Kindle or your books or whatever. So across from the bed is a seating bench and some more Sleeping Beauty art. This is a really pretty one of Princess Aurora opening up the window shutters. We have the telephone over there, another mirror, 2 chairs, and then 6 drawers, and the TV. I will never get tired of walking into a room that says "Welcome home, Per Rowan family." We have a standard view room booked. We're the type of people that don't usually care about what kind of view we get, since it's not an important factor for us when we choose a place to stay. But anyways, this is what we have to look at. Ta-da! I don't know where we're at. It's not a big deal for us, but I know for some people they really appreciate a good view when they're on vacation, and also enjoy having a villa to step outside and drink their cup of coffee in the early morning, or an adult beverage in the evening. Yeah. All right, my friends, if you enjoyed this tour, my name is Lynn, and if you didn't enjoy this tour, I know you're lying, because why else would you stay through the end of the video, right? I'm just kidding. Anyways, though, I really hope that you found this video helpful as you plan your trip to the happiest place on earth. See you guys again next time.